So I'm so excited to show you this bathroom. One of the key pieces for me is to tell a story. So this one, I wanted to have a lot of natural elements to match what's going on with outside, but I also wanted to feel like a jewelry box and a waterfall. So I know, stay with me on this one. I let my imagination run wild. So if you think about it, I love this dark blue, almost purplish color. And so we put it in velvet and put it up against this. I like the round because I needed some nice, instead of straight lines, I wanted some femininity around there. So some roundness is nice. And I actually encapsulate it with a stainless steel lighting fixture because lighting is very important for me. I wanted to have this feel like a cascading waterfall, right? So I created little penny rounds, which is really an octagon shape, similar to the tile that's in the bathtub spot. And right now I got small bathtub, small toilet, small vanity, natural wood elements. I try to mirror the sliding door. So one of my signature styles is if the door takes a lot of space, I like sliding doors. And it's got a sliding door feature right here, which is really nice. And then this nice little penny rounds flow all the way up to the shower. And I do not like regular tubs. I don't know why. I like to make it feel like a spa. And so a bespoke, built-in, not even a bespoke, but a built-in tub doesn't accomplish that for me. So we kind of created a bespoke feeling for it. So I kind of love this nice, small soaking tub, but it really fits. It's big enough. I would get into it, but I don't want to mess up the tub with my shoes. But if you see how all of a sudden these nice little hexagonal penny rounds lead into this shape right here. And it's bigger. And I think for me, one of the big pieces I love is the stainless steel, faucet and the tub filler, the shower, and then the rain shower. But here's my favorite part of this whole entire project. It's that skylight. Let me tell you why. When this place, like I said, it's a gut job. When we saw it, it was a little chimney and it was probably like a 4x4 crawl space that goes up. And so I decided to just open it up and create a skylight so that you have the light from outside. You could shower right underneath it. And if you take a shower at night or take a bath, you could look up at the stars with a glass of wine, which is why this nice little wood piece right here, the little wood stool, is excellent for you. And this is the bathroom.